Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. Today, first of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed and you be thinking about should you subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, yes, you should subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. There's a lot of things I've been cooking in this Power Exhale, and a lot of people have been leaving lists what they want on and cooked in the Power Exhale, and that's what I'm doing, going straight down that list. If I haven't cooked what you put in the comment yet, I'll get to it. But that's all you have to do. If you're looking to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, that's all you have to do is ding, hit that bell. You're subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, I'll be doing something very special in the Power Exhale. Today, I'll be cooking in this Power Exhale. I can't cook with this top on because I'll be doing a little saute today. Just raise that top up for all you first-time viewers watching, or you haven't subscribed and you wonder how to take the top off. So all you have to do is take it off. I'm going to set it to the side. And today, it's nice and clean already. Today I'll be sauteing some shrimp, honey sauteed shrimp with walnuts. Today it'll come out very delicious and everything. So what I'm gonna do, first of all, I'm gonna get this started so it could just start heating up and get it nice and good. And I'm gonna press the temperature. I'm gonna set this for 375. 375. Then I'm gonna set my minutes. I'm gonna set the minutes for like 45. Let it just warm up a minute. Set it for 45, and I'm gonna press start. Let it be warming up and everything. But today I'll be using 1 cup of raw honey, 1 cup of brown sugar. I'll be using a handful of fresh walnuts and 2 stems of green onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 small lemon. Today I cleaned my shrimp and everything. They looking nice and good. Put it over here so you can see. Looking nice and good. I'll be sauteing that today in this Power Exhale. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to eyeball a little. I'm going to eyeball just a little, just enough to get this nice, good, saute good. Just like that. Set it to the side, let that just get hot before I put these shrimp in there. And just put it in just like this. So this look like it's nice and hot. So I won't be showing my face too much today. I want you to see exactly how it go in the Power Exhale for you first time viewers. Get an idea of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put these shrimp in there like that. And just saute it like that. Let it get nice and good. Like I say, only take a couple minutes to do this dish right here. It's nice and easy. You can do what you want to do while this is just cooking. This right here go good over some pasta or either some rice. You can have it and everything. And this is good. I'm going to let it sit for a minute like that. And like I said, I just eyeball the olive oil. You can use butter. You can use whatever you want to use to put in it to get it nice, your color you want. And I'm going to just sit this lid come on. I'm going to sit it on like that. Just like that for a couple minutes. And I'm going to let that cook. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this top off. We're going to look at it together. As you see, they cooking nice and good. Just the way I want them to do. And you know, for all you first time watchers, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. So this is how I do it. And you see, they're coming out real good and everything. So I'm going to just let them cook. Just stir that up, let them cook a couple more minutes before I start putting everything in. Just like that. And they are going to be good. They're going to be good. So what I'm going to do now, Let me start putting my ingredients in. I'm putting a little black pepper all over there. Like that. Paprika. Put the paprika in all like that. Put the garlic salt in. Like that. Now we just give it a nice good stirring for a minute. And it's going to be sweet sour like. I'm just going to put my fresh lemon juice in there like that. Mix that up. Just like that. Put that in there like that. Mix it up. Get it mixed up real good. So that seasoning go all over, not just on one spot. Put it like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my honey in there. Just pour that in there like that. Just pour it all over there. Put that honey in there. Just let it come out. Like that. And also I'm gonna put this brown sugar in too. Just a cup of brown sugar, and I'm gonna mix up everything. I'm gonna just sit the top on it for a minute. Let that just cook like that. I'm not gonna stir it right now, but I'm gonna put the top on it. Let it cook. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the top off. As you see, everything is melted. You still have a little brown sugar on the top. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just mix this up real good. Get everything nice, good, stir it up. Just like that. This right here is gonna be delicious. And it makes its own juice. So I'm just gonna stir this up. Just like this. See how good that's looking? Look at the shrimps. This right here is gonna be so delicious. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put my little nuts in there all over. These are fresh walnuts. Put them in there with it. Just like that. And you know what Mr. Belle like to do? While this is cooking, from all my first time viewers and everything, wash your dishes as this is cooking. Don't leave it for the sprouts. Don't leave it for the kids. Wash the dishes while it's cooking. That way everybody can enjoy the food. They don't have to worry about who's gonna wash the dishes. I'm gonna stir that up, yeah. Nice and good. Just like that. Let that just cook. Cook down, cook that. Like I said, it don't take that long to cook this dish right here. It'll be ready. Then throw some green onions on the top of it. It's gonna be delicious. So this right here is done. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna put it in a bowl. I'm gonna turn that off. I'm gonna press cancel, and that's done. And it's been 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put it in a bowl, just take it out of here and everything. Okay, I put it in a bowl now, and this is your sauté honey shrimp with walnuts. And I'm gonna put a little green onions on the top of it, just sprinkle that just like that. And like I say, this is good over some pasta or either some shrimp. And this right here is gonna be so delicious. Put it on just like that. Just like that, so you get a little taste of everything. I'm gonna raise it up so you can see it. And this is how it look. And that's Cooking with the Bells. If you like it, subscribe. Leave a comment in the box. And remember, if you haven't subscribed and you've been thinking about subscribing, that's all you have to do. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching.